Hey, what's up guys? This is John, and you're watching Maniacs Garage. Today, we're gonna work on the second mod for the new Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 off-road. I need to put a bed cover on this thing so I can keep my stuff secure in here, out of the elements. And so I decided to go with a budget-friendly addition. This is from Trail Ridge. It's a tri-fold tonneau cover for the bed. So hopefully it was a good decision to go with this. I've never used these guys before. I have used some different tonneau covers on trucks in the past, and you know, they work really cool depending on what you need. You can get a hard tonneau cover, protects things a lot better. You can paint it to match, but it's a lot harder to use if you're gonna load stuff in it that's taller than the cover. And so these folding types of covers are kind of a cool compromise between that. You can't paint these necessarily. This one I think is gonna have a vinyl kind of a finish. We're gonna see in a minute, but they do fold. So you can put something taller in it, and you can also take them out, remove them, set them down sideways in the bed, and then you can load something really big in the bed. And you know, so you got that versatility. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. It's supposedly an extremely easy install, so hopefully that is the case, because it's been a long day already today. We worked on the shop, cleaned it all up, and rearranged it, and it's looking really good in there. All right, let's get started on this thing. Well, so my first impression, I'm not sure, got a couple of big humps in it right here. It's the bottom side of it, but I'm wondering what that is transfers like over on the top side, because that's not going to be cool. And that's maybe because it's in transport right now, it kind of pushes on it right there, so we'll have to see. Give them the benefit of the doubt, see what happens. So I think I'm just gonna kind of lay it on there and kind of get the feel for it before I look at the instructions. Okay, all right, it's not bad. Okay, not a lot of parts. All right, let's just go ahead and glance at these directions just so we don't waste time. It's super simple. Step one, just lay it on there like I just did. Looks like we got to get this piece going. All right, let's get going.
Everybody pass right this way. Everybody pass right.
Well, I gotta hand it to these Toyota engineers, because they put this track in. They put this track in here. It's like a multi-purpose track. Comes with the truck. You have this little tie-down D-ring that you can move around and snug it up. But you can add other accessories in here. So I've seen like a bike rack or a kayak rack or a tool rack, ladder rack, whatever. You can add it in here and then it goes up. And so this bed cover, pretty sweet. The pieces that it came with, it actually fits into that track. So it's obviously, well, of course it's obviously product specific, because the bed cover has to fit the bed size, but all the fitment pieces, or fittings I guess, all fit this track. So super cool, because it literally, that's it. I got to figure out where this goes so that this latch mechanism shuts into it. So it's got this little latching mechanism, and then that's your opener. Let's check it out. It sits right there. So that was my scientific method to measure that. Where did I leave that Allen wrench? Oh, here it is. Literally, this is what it's gonna take. That's crazy. Oh, there's an adjustment on it, a couple adjustments on it actually going up and down. So I'm just gonna snug it for now. Yep, it's gonna have to go higher. Let's go max height, see what happens. And we'll back it down from there. Okay, max height, not enough yet. Let's move the bottom up too. There it is. All right, so full extension is where it wants to be. Not true, not true. It's gonna have to come lower. Let's split it halfway there. Have to get on the tailgate to do it. Kind of bites.
Everybody pass this way.
You know what? For the price that this thing was, I think it was around 300 bucks. It shipped like in 4 days. You know, I can't ask for more. It went on in probably 15 minutes. And you know, it fits pretty good. It sticks up a little bit in the back, but I may relax a little bit once it sits out in the sun. Doesn't look bad. Let's take it outside and let's look at it. Tailgate still functions, and I'm just gonna take it out.
Everybody pass this way. Everybody pass this way.
I'm gonna have to give this Trail Ridge bed cover for the Tacoma a thumbs up. For the price that I paid for it, and I did pay for this, this was not sponsored, for how quick it got here, how easy it was to install. It was literally 15 to 20 minutes. I even used their little Allen wrench, didn't get my tools out, and it went right on. And I love how it works. I love how it looks. I think it's really awesome. It's an awesome bed cover. So I hope you guys like this. This is mod number 2 on the Tacoma. Mod number 1 being the TRD Pro grill that I just put in a few days ago. I'm gonna do a few other things to this truck, so I hope you guys stay around for that. A little mini series, if you will. This is my new kind of daily driver / shop truck, whatever. And I'm super happy with this so far. So hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, and you guys check out all our other videos, especially the ones with the 49 Ford body swap BMW. Go back 80 plus videos of that. And we have a new project, which is a 62 Mercury Monterey. Check out that project as we're just getting started on it. It's gonna be a really cool cruiser. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our videos. I'm John, this is Maniacs Garage, and I'm out. You guys have a great week or day or night or whatever you are, wherever this is, time it is in your place, and God bless you guys.